In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert image to text using ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a photo or screenshot of text into clean, editable words with just a couple of simple actions. First, upload the image you want to convert. This can be a photo of a document, a screenshot of a web page, a flyer, a slide, or even a page from a book. Clear images work best. If you're taking a photo, try to keep the page flat, fill the frame with the text, and make sure the lighting is even so there aren't strong shadows or glare. If the image is tilted or fuzzy, the transcription can miss characters, so a sharp head-on shot will give you the most accurate result. You can upload common image formats, and it's fine if there's color or graphics in the background. The model will focus on the text it can see. Once the image is uploaded, simply tell ChatGPT to convert the text from that image into text. A straightforward prompt like, "Please transcribe all the text from this image," is enough. You can add helpful context like the language of the text if it's not obvious. If the page contains multiple sections, you can say, "Read from top to bottom, left to right," so the output follows the order you expect. Printed text typically yields higher accuracy than cursive handwriting, but the model can still do a good job with neat, legible writing. If you want specific formatting, include that in your message. You might say, "Preserve original line breaks," "Group lines into full sentences and paragraphs," or "Output headings in all caps and body text in normal case." For lists, you can ask to keep the numbering or convert dashes into numbered items. If you're working with structured content like a form or a schedule, you can request a tidy layout, such as show this as 2 sections, headings and details, or format as plain text with clear section titles. You can also ask to exclude anything you don't need by saying, "Ignore page numbers and watermarks," or "Only capture the main article, not the sidebar." That's really all there is to it. Upload the image, ask ChatGPT to convert the text, and if you care about layout, say exactly how you want the result to look. In a moment, you'll have clean, editable text you can copy into your notes, document, or email. If you ever need consistency across multiple images, reuse the same prompt wording so each transcription follows the same style. Let's get your image turned into usable text.